Okay, we can start the MCET beats. Okay, first sum. See that one. Equation of a line passing through the point 1 comma minus 2 and perpendicular to the line 3x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. Right. Once see this given sum, you are finding the one equation line. That line is passing through the point 1 comma minus 2 and also perpendicular to this line. Right. What is your formula? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the given line. Then perpendicular line formula bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. So what is the perpendicular line of this one? 5x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. So what is this meaning? A and B are interchanging and between sign also interchanging. Minus becomes plus. So it is the perpendicular line of given line. Now it is passing through 1 comma minus 2. 5 into 1 plus 3 into minus 2 plus k equal to 0. 5 minus 6 plus k equal to 0. Minus 1 plus k equal to 0. Then what is the k value? 1. So this k value is we can substitute in this equation. So that required equation is 5x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Completed. One equation is given. Sec square theta is equal to 4 by 3. Then you are finding the general value of this theta. Okay. First of all, this is sec reciprocal only we can take here. Sec reciprocal is cos. Cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 is we can write as root 3 by 2 whole square. So it is nothing but cos pi by 6 whole square. So now we get the form cos square theta is equal to cos square pi by 6. Then what is our general solution? We have one formula is there na. Any one function cos square theta equal to cos square alpha means then theta should be written as n pi plus or minus alpha. What is this alpha here? Pi by 6 such that n belongs to z. It is our general solution. Completed. Okay, now let us see the next one. Next bit. Find the angle between the lines. We should find out the angle between the lines. Those lines are given in which form? Intercept form only given. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 and x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. So these two lines are given in intercept form. Then we should find out the angle between them. First we can write these are right in the line equations. LCM. AB is the LCM. Then it becomes as bx plus ay is equal to ab. Right. What is this equation form? AB is the LCM. Then what you get? Bx minus ay is equal to ab. Now it is there. Now it is there in line equation form. Now we should find out angle between them. What is your angle formula? Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2 formula. m1, what is the slope of this line? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So it becomes as, first we can take this line only better. So that is b by a minus this line equation become as minus b by n. What is the line of this slope? Minus b by a. minus into minus become plus only, divided by 1 minus m1 plus m1 into m2. My m1 minus m2. m1 is b by a minus m2 means minus b by a, that becomes plus b by a by 1 plus m1 into m2. b by a into m2 is minus b by a, right? What happened now? This one LCM Nana. What is your LCM? A square is the LCM Nana. What you get? AB plus AB by A square divided by A square is the LCM. A square minus B square Nana. A square cancel. What you get now? Tan theta value is what you get Nana? 2AB by A square minus B square. Angle is you are finding na? Then theta is equal to tan inverse 2AB by A square minus B square. So it is our sum Nana. Completed. Next one. 3 lines are given. Those 3 lines are suppose concurrent. Then you can find out one constant value Nana. First of all, we can take the given lines. What is the given lines? 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Y equal to x plus 5. What is the third line? 5y plus bx is equal to 3 Nana. These 3 lines are concurrent. Then you can find out the b value. What is the meaning of concurrent? These 3 lines are passing through the same point only. Okay. Already we know this concept Nana. First these 3 lines are we can write in the perfect form. What is that perfect form? 4x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. What about this one? X minus y plus 5 equal to 0. What about this one? Bx plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. What is the meaning of perfect form of a line? Ax plus by, x term, y term and constant. These 3 lines are congruent means delta of this value is equal to 0. Delta of x coefficient, y coefficient, constant only we can take here. 1 minus 1, 5. B 5 minus 3. We should find out this det value Nana. How do we can find out det value? This concept already you know in our matrices chapter Nana. So how do we can find? Plus minus plus only. 4 into 3 minus 25 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 5b minus 1 into 5 plus b is equal to 0 Nana. Okay, 4 into we can multiply this one, cross multiply na, minus 1 into minus 3 become 3 minus 25 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 5b minus 1 into 5 plus b is equal to 0 Nana. Now we can simplify this one. 4 into 3 minus 25 become as minus 22 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 5b minus 5 minus b equal to 0 Nana. So it become as minus 88 plus 9 plus 15b minus 5 minus b equal to 0 Nana. So 15b minus b become as 14b and constants. 9 minus 5 become as 4. 4 minus 88 become as minus 84 equal to 0 Nana. 14b equal to 84. What is the b value? 6 Nana. So 14b equal to 84. b is equal to 84 by 14. What is this value? 6 Nana. Completed. Okay. Write down. Next sum. Two lines are given. We can find out the distance between them. Here given 2 lines are parallel lines. So we can find out the distance between two parallel lines nana. What is that formula here? Mod of C1 minus C2 by under the root of a square plus b square nana. Okay, right. Now let us see the next sum nana. Two lines are given. 4x plus 3y is equal to 11. 8x plus 6y is equal to 15 only given nana. These two lines are basically parallel. Then we can find out the distance between them nana. First of all, we can see here one point nana. X coefficient and y coefficient in both equations we can make it same nana. Here these two lines are basically parallel only, but we can make it this x coefficient is same nana and y coefficient also we can make it same nana, because ax plus by plus c equal to c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Then only these two lines are said to be parallel nana. So first equation, this is first equation, it is second equation nana. First equation is multiply with 2 nana. Second equation is directly we can take here nana. So first equation is multiply with 2 na. 8x plus 6y is equal to 2, 11 ja 22 nana. What about the second equation? 8x plus 6y is equal to 15 nana. Okay, like this way x coefficient and y coefficient is we can make it same nana. Now it is C1, it is C2 nana. So what is our distance between these parallel lines? Mod of C1 minus C2 by under the root of a square plus b square nana. Mod of 22 minus 15 by under the root of a square plus b square nana. 8 square plus 6 square nana. 22 minus 15 become as 7 by 8 square means 64, 6 square means 36, root 100 means 10 only nana. So what is this distance between these two parallel lines nana? 7 by 10 units only. Completed nana.